Everyone might started thinking what this video is about. So without any further delay, let's get into my mini world. This video is about the conversation between a girl named Siri visited her aunt home on account of Diwali. Hi auntie, happy Diwali.
Hi Siri. Thank you. Happy Diwali, dear.
What are you doing now auntie?
I am doing Kheer for puja.
Oh really? I love Keep. Can we make it together?
Yeah, sure.
Hi sis, happy Diwali. Mom, I want more crackers for Diwali this time. Please give me money.
Hi Chotu, I'll give you money. Okay, tell me why we celebrate Diwali then?
To light diyas and have fun with crackers, obviously. And we can have yummy sweets too.
Okay. Then you guys like key, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. How many fingers we have in our hand?
5.
Are all fingers are of same size?
No.
Okay. Let me add ghee to pot first. Where did I stop? Yeah. Not even 5 fingers in our hand are same. In the same way, different cultures believe in different traditions and customs. I'll tell you guys few stories or reasons behind celebrating Diwali. Okay? The first one is from our epic Mahabharata, where Lord Krishna and his wife Satyabhama killed evil demon named Narkasur by rescuing 1600 gopikas, and on their victory people welcomed them by lighting diyas and celebrated as a festival. So, as Gopikas were homeless, now Krishna married to all Gopikas and gave them home and told them to lit a diya in their home. We are getting a nice aroma. Let's remove dry fruits from pot and put it in a plate. And now it's time for milk to get into the pot. So, coming back to the next one, you know about Pandavas, right? Yeah, they left Hastinapur for 13 years of exile. People in their kingdom were fed up with these cruel Kauravas ruling their kingdom. And finally, Pandavas returned back to Hastinapur on this day. So, people were filled with joy and happiness and celebrated their return by welcoming them. They thought all their golden days are back again. I think milk got boiled. Let's add some sweetness to the celebration by adding sugar to it. So, coming to the next story, it's from another great epic, Ramayana. Ravana kidnapped Sita Devi. After 14 years of Aranyavasa, Lord Rama, along with Sita Devi, Lakshman, and Hanuman, returned to Ayodhya by killing this evil Ravana for kidnapping Sita Devi. On their return, thousands of lights and diyas were lit throughout the city, and there was wave of celebration all around. Okay, it's time for fragrance now. Let's add some cardamom powder now. So, coming to the next story, it's about Lord Narsimha, who was man lion in creation of Lord Vishnu, who came to save earth from evil king Hiranyakashipu, who got boon from Lord Brahma to be immortal, that he cannot be killed by any human or any animal as well, not in day or not in night, not on earth and not in space as well. Lord Vishnu killed him by putting him on his thighs in the evening time, which was not day and not even night. It's time for saffron milk to get into pot now. There was a king named Mahabali who was extremely powerful and kind as well. He defeated all gods and slaved goddess Lakshmi. Then there comes the fifth avatar of Lord Vishnu, who was Vaman. He asked Mahabali for 3 foot place. As Mahabali was so kind, he agreed though. Vaman kept 3 strides by putting 1 foot on earth and 1 foot on heaven. He placed his leg on Mahabali's head for third pace of land and killed him by smashing him to Patal and rescued goddess Lakshmi as well. So we worship goddess Lakshmi on this day as she got all her powers back. Let's add last ingredient Ferni to pot now. As this is time after monsoon with farms fully flourished and cattle have ample food to eat. According to farmers, cattle are their only wealth as cows are in creation of goddess Lakshmi, we worship cattle. Though the stories might be different, the essence of all is the same, that is, victory of truth over lies, good over evil, modesty over arrogance, humility over e- egoism, care over selfishness, kind over harshness is the true meaning of Diwali. Let's add some light to this no Monday and be happy.
Thank you, sis. Kheer smells yummy as stories, and importance of Diwali was. Yes, it's time for puja now.
Have happy and safe Diwali everyone. Thank you.